Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about many different ways to make money online. I upload a new video every single week, so make sure to subscribe not to miss any new opportunities. In today's video, I will go through McMoney, a mobile app to make money passively receiving text messages. Last week, I made a video about a very similar app called Money SMS. You can click up there now to check it out. McMoney is also only available on Android phones because Android allows them to process the results of the text they send you. I will put the link of their official website in the description for you to install McMoney, including my referral code where you will earn a bonus of $1.02. In this video, I will go through the different settings of McMoney, show you what types of text you can expect, withdraw my current earnings, and show you my payment proof. As you can see, I've accumulated a total of $6.37 plus a $24.48 bonus, and I will withdraw all this money towards the end of the video. In the Earnings tab, you can see how many text messages I've received and that they pay a bit over 5 cents per text they send you. The minimum balance for a payout is only $5. If you have already seen my other video about Money SMS, you will remember that the other app paid 2 cents per text message. Note that this is in euro, which translates to about 2.4 cents in American dollars. McMoney pays more than double the amount per text message sent. I personally use both apps on my phone because they are both 100% passive, and I will make more videos about these types of apps as I'm currently testing a few other ones. Moving on to the Inbox tab, you can see all the text they've sent. It's a great feature to see if some text you received are actually from McMoney or someone else. You can usually tell whether a text is from McMoney or not. I will show you now the latest one I got from them this morning. As you can see, these texts don't really mean anything, and you can just leave them there on your phone or delete them straight away. In the Accounts tab, you can edit your phone number, name, and email address associated with your PayPal account. PayPal is currently the only way to withdraw cash with McMoney, so make sure to create an account if you don't already have one. The availability feature is also great if you don't want to receive text messages from McMoney at specific times of the day. I don't mind when I receive mine, so I haven't made any modification there. In the News tab, you can see all the people you have referred. For a referral to be valid, they don't explicitly say it in the app, but the person you refer needs to receive at least 5 text messages for you to receive your $1.02 bonus. The person using your code will automatically receive this bonus when they sign up, but you will need to make sure that the person receives at least 5 text messages to receive yours. When I first signed up, someone referred me to this app and gave me a code, so I also got a $1.02 bonus that way. The Referral tab is where you will see who used your referral code and when you received a referral bonus. You can't see the name or any information about the person you referred. As you can see, they just call them friend with a number. Friend 7 here is at 40%, which means he or she only received 2 text messages so far. If I go down a bit, you see that most people I referred received at least 5 text messages, as they are at 100%. Now I will go back to the Start menu and cash out my current balance. This is the first time I withdraw cash from this app, so let's see how this looks. So I will cash out $30.85, and it looks like you can change your PayPal email address from here as well if you made any typo. And then cash out with PayPal. Right, so it says my money is on its way, and apparently it can take up to a week. I will pause this video and come back in a few days to show you my payment proof. I am now back 2 days later, and I've received this email from PayPal about my McMoney payment. I will now log into my PayPal account to check if it's been paid out. And as you can see, I have received my $30.85. So to sum up, McMoney is a slow earner because you might not receive text messages every single day, but it's 100% passive, so I'll keep on using it. Plus, they pay quite fast. For me, it took only about 2 days. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, thank you for watching, and see you next week for another video.